Hi everyone, this is Brian Hayes and welcome to Volume 2 in our series on building contemporary chord progressions on the ukulele. I've got a tenor ukulele here tuned to the standard low G tuning. I want to start by looking at the sustained fourth chords. If we take this shape here, guitar players will recognise that as a D chord. In this tuning on the tenor ukulele, the standard ukulele tuning, that's actually a G major chord. If we add in the note C by putting our little finger on the third fret of the first string, the A string, so therefore A, B, C, that'll be the note C, we're adding a C, the fourth note in a G scale, into a G chord. That's called a G sustained fourth chord, a fantastic sounding chord, which resolves great back to the G chord. A lot of great modern sounds there on your ukulele very easily by just adding in that sustained fourth note. We can do the same thing here. If we play an F chord on the ukulele, C chord for guitar players, and this time if we put in the sustained fourth note, the B flat note, so this is the low G string, G, A, B flat, if we put a B flat into an F major chord, we've got an F sustained fourth chord. This time the sustained fourth note is the lowest note in the chord. Now if we add those two chord progressions together, some really modern sounds. They're very easy, and of course you can just experiment different strums, different melodies. Okay, really easy. I encourage you to look for sustained fourth chords on your ukulele. Now I'm just going to do one more progression here, and this time I'm going to showcase how arpeggiating chords can sound fantastic as opposed to just strumming them. Here's an example here. If I play an F major chord and then take that up 2 frets, I get a pretty ugly sounding chord if I just strum it like that, a real tension building chord. Because in this one here I've sort of got a G sustained fourth chord with an added ninth. There's a lot of things happening there and the notes are quite close together, sort of got clash notes right beside each other. So if we just strum it, it can sound a bit ugly. But if we arpeggiate those chords, we can get some really beautiful piano-like riffs. Okay, so you see what I did there? I just took the F, standard F chord shape on the ukulele, took it up 2 frets, and instead of just highlighting the clash notes, I arpeggiated the progression. So if we want to take that harmonised scale approach right up the neck, if you look at my finger grips, I'll either be 1 fret apart or on top of each other, and I'm only using the 2nd and 4th strings. So 1st fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret, 10th fret, 12th fret. Just watch those shapes. So in this case, we hold the shape, we change the shape to on top of each other, we go back to how we started, we go on top of each other. Now, if we strum those, we can use all 4 strings. We get a groovy sort of progression. Of course we can arpeggiate them and make an extended sort of a piano-like sound. Now I just want to round this tutorial out by bringing the concepts together of sustained fourth chords and arpeggiated chord riffs in an accompaniment, a ukulele accompaniment to a vocal. In this case, I'm going to sing Bob Dylan's classic Knockin' on Heaven's Door. Now, disclaimer, I'm by no means a singer, but I want to use my vocals to let you see and hear how these concepts can be really applied quite simply to the ukulele if you're in the mode of singing and backing yourself up. So here we go. Well, Ma can't take this badge off of me. Oh, I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. It feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. And knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. A knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. It feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and maybe learnt something new from it. Remember, the whole idea of playing music is to have fun. You don't have to be the world's greatest singer or ukulele player to enjoy yourself and put together a contemporary arrangement that is just perhaps a little bit beyond just straight major and minor chords. So do experiment with arpeggiating your chord sequences. Don't be scared to try different chords. Today we looked at the sustained fourth chord. Bye for now.